Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to embed text into a photo, picture, whatever you feel like calling it. So, I'm running Raspberry Pi here with Kali Linux on it. So the first thing we need to do is we need to install the following software here. So once you have that installed, which I already have, what we need to do is have your photo on here. Now what I did was I used WinSCP and just copied the photo over to the root directory here. So we're just going to rename this to make it a little bit easier. So we're just going to rename this weather, because as you can see, if I can open it from here, it's taking a little bit, so we'll let that go. I'll show you the image. So another thing we need to do is make a text file of whatever text you want to embed into the image. So for just the purpose of this video, we're just going to do something short and sweet. So we're just going to do test txt, and we have the picture here, so we'll show you. Now this is the picture, weather.jpg. So we could just get that out of the way here. So I'm just going to do something easy. There we go. We want to embed the following. So we'll just save this file. So if you do a ls, as you can see, we have the renamed JPEG here, and we have a txt file named test. So now here comes the easy part. So we're going to clear this, do the following command here. So we're going to run seg hide embed -ef, then the name of the text file, -cf, then the name of the JPEG, -p for your password. Then this here, obviously I wouldn't name it password, I'm just naming it password, so we don't have to make it easy. So as you can see, it already went ahead and done that. So the second command we need to run is we need to extract it. So it's now in the photo, but now we need to extract the text out of the image. So we'll just type in the following, -p, then you put in the password that you made up, then -xf. Then we're going to use the same file name, but we're just going to change it so it'll have two, so I can show you what it extracted. So like I said, the first time when we embedded it, it was just test.txt. So we're just going to name this one test1.txt. So now that it's done, what we can do is, if we do an ls, now you can see we have the following here. So if we do I guess what I wanted to do there, but So if we just do another nano and open it up, as you can see, that's what the original was. So if we go back and we put in the 1, and there we go. So it embedded the text into the picture and also extracted it, and it typed out what we put in. So I'll put a link in the description to my website with the commands and everything, and so forth, and hopefully this helps you out if you want to embed and hide like watermarks or whatnot in a picture or whatever your purpose may be. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.